Morning. Oh my gosh, I am officially 1 week and what's this, babe, 3 days post-op, and on my way to get another post-op care massage, which I told you, dolls, that is so important for maintaining, I know, this investment that I took out upon myself. But I at least want to show y'all what your girl is looking like 1 week and a few days post. Babe, you want to help me out with the camera? Okay, he's gonna help me out. Okay, so now I'm gonna step back so you dolls can see. 1 week post-op. Don't mind the sneakers, because the shoes is gonna be in the car with me. So those are the shoes I'll be wearing today. But I'm gonna get, you see this? What? I'm your girl. You ready for that projection? Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look how flat I am in the front, dolls. Oh my, now mind you, I do have on my faja, because remember, I gotta wear it for 23 hours a day for the next 6 months, and I'm playing no games. I will be wearing it 23 hours for 6 months, but I have it on. But still, look at this. And this is me swollen. Oh, I'm happy. So enough of me sharing this part with you, because I gotta get out of here and get myself together. So actually, I'm gonna take y'all right along with me. So let me go. Hey, doll. So here's my other GLAM doll. She was so scared. Okay, and what I told you.
So everything's gonna be fine. Just to be calm. She's amazing. I love her. She made me feel very positive about everything. I'm happy I got to meet you.
I'm happy to meet you too, and that's what it's all about. Because I didn't want you scared to go through it, and I know there's like, you know,
they gave me a lot of reassurance. So I was like, oh my gosh, she's amazing.
I was like, girl, you got this. That new body is coming.
She's amazing. I love her.
And she had
Dr.
Perkins, right?
He's amazing as well.
Perkins.
Thumbs up for the both of them. Crazy.
And goals in general.
Goals in general,
right? Yeah.
Amazing. The customer service is good. I love it. Thank you.
Oh my God.
1 sugar or 2 sugar?
Oh, more like 7 sugar, but I'll take 2. She said 2, that's it. Go to the machine, right?
Would you like cinnamon?
Okay, I'll take some cinnamon.
I bring 1 for you.
Oh, he don't want no tea.
No?
No, he don't want no. He don't want no. Dolls, oh my God, so they take care of you so well, as you can see. But I'm here again to get another post-care massage. As of today, we are 1 week and 2 days post-op. And the reason why I say we, because the Hubs, aka Rev, this is a partnership. He has been amazing in helping me a lot too. So thank you, babe.
Well, thank you, baby.
He's been a real MVP. No, I'm here. I'm gonna get another post-op care massage, and I'm gonna get a couple of clips of it being done, because they're using the cavitation machine on me, which is also helping to break down any of the liquids that's left over, as well as tightening up the skin. So y'all gonna see in just a minute. Let me sip some tea, get undressed, and I'm gonna come right back to y'all.
And what does this one do?
This radiofrequencia. The radiofrequencia is for recovery more better. And you see the light?
Mm-hmm.
The light is good for inflammation, pain,
Mm-hmm.
and the skin come back for your natural way. It's very good. After 1 or 2 weeks, they feel yes.
So this is deep tissue massage like kind of thing?
Yeah.
And you don't feel the heat on your back, right, babe?
And even with that, you could, like, remember when we used to go to the Bronx?
Mm-hmm.
You have to, you would keep moving, because if you stop, then you would burn. But it's good.
You hear it, babe?
I'm surprised, you know?
No, I'm not gonna be able to hear it.
So I just finished leaving gold for my post-op care at the Dollar Scene. I had to come into my favorite Chinese food store over here. Their food is amazing. But anyway, I really feel a lot better. I mean, I was getting better anyway, but when they use that cavitation machine, it's like mind-blowing. I absolutely do love it. And it also has like the red light, which provides the heat therapy. And she said, babe, she said that's the deep tissue with the nodules on it. That's the deep tissue version. So yeah, I mean, like I said, we are 1 week and
We are 1 week.
and 2 days. 1 week and 2 days, and doing good. I mean, excuse me, I'm coming out. Did you got anything to add to it?
Nope.
The reason why I'm saying we are for the mere fact that it's a partnership, and you know, of course, his help has been tremendous, and I'm very appreciative of it. I know I said thank you, but seriously, thank you.
You're welcome.
That's my bad. No, but don't deceive yourself into thinking you're not going to at least really need the help the first 24 to 48 hours. After that, I pretty much has been self-sufficient. But like I said, you know, with the bending and stuff like that, I'm just not able at 100% to bend down on my own. I look both ways from crossing the street, to bend down on my own to get certain things done. So now that I got my Chinese food, I'm gonna start by heading on home so I can enjoy this food, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. Moving forward, like I said, the BBL don't just end there. You're gonna start seeing me. I'm gonna share with you me being in the gym, how to maintain the investment that's being taken place out for something like this. I'm already, well, not I'm, but we already have transitioned as far as vegan food. And I will be sharing, you know, some meals and stuff along the way. Not to necessarily try to convert any of you to say, hey, vegan is the only way to go. No, that's not, you know, that's not what I'm here to do. But I'm here just to share with you some healthier eating options that you can incorporate into your day-to-day eating routine that you got going already. You know, options, right?
That is correct.
Yeah, options.